Hi everybody. I would like to say welcome to this DSPG Academy channel. እንኳን ወደ DSPG Academy በሰላም መጣችሁ። ይህን ቻናል ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ እንድታደርጉ በአክብሮት እንጠይቃለን። ፕሊስ እስከ መጨረሻው አብራችሁን እንድትሆኑ እንድትካፈሉ ብዙ ኤግዛምፕሎችን ብዙ ቴዎረሞችን ፕሮፐርቲዎችን እናያለን። ፕሊስ ከኛ ጋር እንድትቆዩ በአክብሮት እንጠይቃለን። Derivatives of combinations of function. Okay, first, let us see the derivative of sum and difference of function. The derivative of sum and difference. Sum of two functions, two or more functions, and difference of two functions. Okay, we have here theorem. It says, if f and g are differentiable functions at a, then f plus g and f minus g are also differentiable at that number a, and are given by f plus g derivative. F plus g derivative at a is equals to f derivative at a plus g derivative at a, and f minus g derivative at a is equals to f derivative at a minus g derivative at a. So, ምን ማለት ነው? If we are provided with two functions, ሁለት ፋንክሽኖች ቢሰጡን የነዛን ድምር derivative, the derivative of the sum, ሁለቱም ፋንክሽኖች ደምረን derivative መፈለግ ማለት የእያንዳንዱን derivative ፈልገን መደመር እንደማለት ነው። The derivative of the sum is equals to the sum of the derivatives of individual functions. And similarly, the difference of two functions f minus g prime at a is equals to f prime at a minus g prime at a. ስለዚህ the derivative of the difference of two functions is equals to the difference of their derivatives. So እንግዲህ ይሄን ነገር በምሳሌ ስናይ በጣም ክሊር ይሆንልናል። So let us consider the following examples. The first example. If f of x is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared. Here one function we have, and function allen x cubed plus 3x squared. Then the question says find the formula for f prime at x. ቀጥታ derivative as a function. f prime at x ምንድነው? Then compute f prime at 2. f prime at x ምንድነው? Then f prime at 2 ምን ይሆናል? ስንት ይሆናል የሚል ነገር ነው። Okay. So solution is here. To find the derivative of those functions, okay, this function, we will use f prime at x is equals to n times x to the power of n minus 1. And then for f of x is equals to, in particular, for f of x is equals to x cubed plus x squared. Okay, f plus f of x is equals to x cubed plus x squared. Okay, here it is 3x squared. I'm sorry to forget to write 3 here. It's actually some small error. So consider the number 3 is here. Coefficient to 3 no, ስለዚህ type error no. So f of x is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared. Then ምንድነው የምናደርግ? እችኛውን እንደ አንድ function we will let this as a separate function, and this is another function. Now let g of x is equals to x cubed, and h of x is equals to 3x squared. Then from the theorem, so f prime at x minonal g plus this one plus this one, g plus h prime at x minonal. So, but in this theorem we said f plus g prime at a is equals to f prime at a plus g prime at a. So in formula በመጠቀም g prime at x plus h prime at x separately differentiate ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው. So the derivative of x cubed plus the derivative of 3x squared, which is equals to, by using the formula, 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 3 times 2. ችኛዋን እናወርዳለን. 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1 using this formula. Now, which is equal to 3x squared plus 6x. 3x plus 6x ይሆናል። So f prime for any x is 3x squared plus 6x. This is the formula for the derivative of the function x cubed plus 3x squared. For the second part, from part 1, from this we found that f prime at x is equal to 3x squared plus 6x. Thus, f prime at 2, in particular, for x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2, f prime at 2 is equals to 3 times 2 square plus 6 times 2, which is equals to, this one is 12, plus this one is 12, this is equals to 24. 24. Okay, here again we have another example. Find the derivative of the function f of x is equals to 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 10x plus square root of x plus 1 over square root of x. This is a little bit long expression, a function with long expression. So ግን እንዴት differentiate እንደምናደርግ እናያለን ማለት ነው. So here we are asked to find the derivative of this function. The solution. Let us see the solution. F of x is equals to, as it is given, 3x to the power of 4 plus minus 2x cubed plus 10x plus root x plus 1 over root x. Which is equals to, this is 3 times x to the power of 4 minus this is 2x cubed plus this is 10x. But here the radical sign, the radical square root of 2 could be changed or could be written as an exponential function. Root x is equals to x to the power of 1 over 2. ይሄ ሁሉ ጊዜ root radical x ማለት x to the power of 1 over 2 ነው። Plus ይሄ 1 over radical 2 ማለት 1 over x to the power of 2 ማለት ነው። እቺን እታች የነበረችውን ዲኖሚኔተር የነበረችውን ወደ ላይ ለማውጣት ኔጌቲቭ መጨመር ነው ኤክስፖነንቱ ላይ። ሶ x to the power of negative 1 over 2 ይሆናል። መጀመሪያ እቺን ራዲካል ለማጥፋት 1 over x to the power of 1 over 2 ይሆናል። 1 over x to the power of 1 over 2 ይሄኛው x to the power of 1 over 2 ከስር ይሆናል። ከስር የነበረውን ላይ ለማውጣት እቺን ኔጌቲቭ እንጨምራለን። So this is the property of exponential function. So ይሄ ነው f of x. This is f of x. Now f prime at x is equals to using our previous formula 3 times 4 times x to the power of 4 minus 1 minus 2 times 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 10 times 1 times x to the power of 1 minus 1 plus 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 minus 1 over 2 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2 minus 1. እዚች ጋር minus 1 አለችን. So this is equals to 12x cube minus 6x square and 6 ይሆናል ስናባዛ 2 ትሆናለች plus 10x to the power of 0. 1 minus 1 0 ነው 10 times 1 10 ነው 10x to the power of 0 plus 1 over 2 x to the power of minus 1 over 2. So ይሄ እንዳለ ይሆናል 1 over 2 minus 1 negative 1 over 2 ይሆናል minus 1 over 2 x to the power of minus 3 over 2 ይሆናል። ይሄ negative 1 over 2 minus 1 negative 3 over 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Which is equal to 12x cube as it is minus 6x squared plus 10 ብቻ ይሆናል x to the power of any number x to the power of 0 or any number to the power of 0 1 exponent 0 ከሆነ 1 ይሄ ህግ ነው። ስለዚህ 10 times x to the power of 0 10 ይሆናል 10 times 1 10 ይሆናል። ሶ እቺኛዋ ቅድም እንደነገርኳችሁ 1 over 2 እቺ ኔጌቲቭ ስላለ እታች ይሆናል ራዲካል ይሆንና ከስር ይወርዳል minus 1 over 2 ይሄ እታች ይወርድና ኤክስፖነንቱ 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እቺኛዋ 2 ከስር ያለችው ዲኖሚኔተር 2 ራዲካል ታደርጋለች 3 እንዳለች ትሆናለች። ከስር የሆነበት ምክንያት እዚህ ጋር ኔጌቲቭ ስላለ ነው። ሶ 2 እንደዚህ ይሆናል። then ሌላው እንዳለ ነው። ከዛ እቺ መጨረሻው ላይ ምንድነው x cube ማለት x square times x ማለት ነው። x square ደግሞ ከራዲካል x ሆኖ absolute value of x ሆኖ ይወጣል። actually ግን as a function x 2x times radical x ይሆናል ማለት ነው 1 over 2 x times radical x. So finally ይሄን ሪዛልት እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። ይሄን ሪዛልት we found this result. Okay, here another property theorem. If f is differentiable function at a, if f is differentiable function at a, if f is differentiable function at a, then for any constant k, for any constant k, we have the function kf is also differentiable at a, and kf prime at a is equals to k times f prime at a. kf prime at a is equals to k times f prime at a. እዚህ ጋር ኮፍሸን ኮንስታንት ማልቲፕሊኬሽን ካለ ምንም አይሆንም፣ ቀጥታ ይወጣና ፋንክሽኑን ብቻ ዲፈረንሺየት አድርገን ከዛ እናባዛለን ማለት ነው። እናባዛለን። We have example here. Find the derivative of f of x is equals to 2 radical x. 2 radical x. 2 times radical x, no? We know that 2 times radical, okay. Sorry, here it is 6. 6 not ichi. በጣም ይቅርታ። እቺኛው 6 ነች፣ ታይፕ ኤረር ነው። 2 times 6 times radical x ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So f of x is equal to 6 times radical x, then which is equal to 6 times radical x ማለት x to the power of 1 over 2 ነው። By using the above theorem, f prime at x is equal to 6 constant ስለሆነች ለብቻ ትወጣለች። So እቺኛዋ x to the power of 1 over 2 ምን ይሆናል? ዲፈረንሺየት ሲደረግ 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 minus ይሆናል 3 times ይሄኛው 6 times 1 over 2 3 ይሆናል 3 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2 ይሆናል። እንግዲህ ይሄኛው minus 1 over 2 ማለት 3 over root x ማለት ነው። እቺኛዋ 1 over 2 ቁጥሯ ሩት ታደርጋለች፣ እቺ ኔጌቲቭ ደግሞ ከስር ታደርጋለች። ስለዚህ 3 over radical x ይሆናል ማለት ነው ፋይናል ሶሉሽናችን። ኦኬ ሌላ ኤግዛምፕል አለን። Find the derivative of f of x is equal to 2 root x plus 1 over 2 root x. And then compute f prime at 4. መጀመሪያ ምንድነው? First we are asked to find the derivative, and then we are asked again to compute the value of f prime at 4. Solution, we know that f of x is equal to this one. Already it's given 2 times root x plus 1 over 2 root x, which is equal to 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2. እንግዲህ ይሄኛው root x 1 over 2 ይሆናል። እዚህ ጋር እቺኛዋ ደግሞ ራዲካል x ምን ትሆናለች? ላይ ትሆንና ኔጌቲቭ ትሆናለች። so 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ 1 over 2 የሆነበት ይሄ ፍራክሽን ስለሆነ ነው። ይሄኛው 2 ስለሆነ እንዳለ እንወስደዋለን by using the constant multiplication property. By using the above theorem, f prime at x is equal to ይሄን ቀጥታ ዲፈረንሺየት ስናደርግ እቺኛዋ 2 times 1 over 2 x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 ይሆናል። ፕላስ እቺኛዋ 1 over 2 ትወጣና እንደገና ኔጌቲቭ 1 over 2 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2 minus 1 ይሆናል። which is equal to ይሄ ሲባዛ 1 ይሆናል። x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 ይሆናል። x to the power of minus 3 over 4, which is equal to 1 over root x minus 1 over 4 root of x cube, which is equal to 1 over root x minus 1 over 4x, x cube, x times root x ይሆናል 1 over 4 times x root x ይሆናል ማለት ነው። In particular, for x is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to 1 over 4 minus 1 over 16 root 4. ቺኛዋ ስንት ነች? እንግዲህ እዚህ ጋር ነው ጨዋታው 1 over root 4 ነው። ይሄኛው 1 over 4 times 4 16 ይሆናል። 4x 4 ሲሆን x 4 ሲሆን እዚህ 4 times 4 16 ይሆናል። ቺኛው 4 እንዳለች ትሆናለች። so f of 4 is equal f prime at 4 is equal to 1 over root 4 minus 1 over 16. ይሄ 16 ማለት 4 times 4 ነው times root 4, which is equal to 1 over 2 minus 1 over 32 ይሆናል። ምክንያቱም እቺ ራዲካል 4 2 ነው። ስለዚህ 1 over 2 ይሆናል። እዚህ ጋርም 2 ስላለን 1 over 16 times 2 32 ይሆናል። which is equal to 15 over 32 ይሆናል ማለት ነው።